We can just don't care. Okay, welcome back. Budgie Breeder 1 here. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about everything because that's what I'm gonna do. Let me scoot back just a little bit. Okay. No, Chloe, you can't get over here. My dog is jumping, trying to get on my leg, and she wants me to hold her. Come on. So, welcome back, Budgie Breeder 1 here. So I'm just gonna make this video into 2 parts into one, I guess. So we're exiting one breeding chapter and we're opening up a next. This is like when God closed one door, He opened up a next. I feel like I'm in church. So Cashew and Majesty had chicks. Sherbert and Dewey had chicks. I'm going to show you guys what those look like, and I'm going to add that to the playlist of how to create rainbows. I'm just going to, I don't know why I created that playlist. It's not really detailed, but I'm going to add it to the playlist, and I'm going to show you guys the chicks from both pairs and what they look like. And I'm about to show you what the chicks look like now because I don't know what to talk about anymore. So let's get into the video. Okay, so on the left is Cashew and on the right is Majesty. Cashew is a mauve rainbow and Majesty is just an opaline clearwing. Together they made some awesome chicks, 6 of which were clearwings and 1 of them was a rainbow. So let's show you guys the chicks. Okay guys, now Opal and Splash is paired up. Am I scared for what the chicks will look like? Yes. Why? Because it's like every time I try, they always come out albino or Latino, and it would just be a waste of time. So we're just gonna cross our fingers and hope that the outcome is what we're looking for. So yeah, guys, that's the results of the chicks. So not many rainbows, not many at all. Only 3 out of 8. So I wouldn't say that it's bad, but I'm not gonna say it's good. But I still like the clear wings as well. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. But I don't know why I think like this, but I think like after I have a clutch of chicks, whatever those chicks were from the last clutch, I I always think that they're gonna look the same in the next clutch, but I don't realize that they are gonna be some different ones. I always think they're gonna look the same for some reason. I don't know why my mind is set like that, but Splash and Opal, they're gonna have some chicks, and today she went in the nest box. I paired them up yesterday, and today she went in the nest box, and so we're gonna have some chicks from them. I'm kind of worried because I really don't know what kind of chicks I'm gonna get from those, because Splash produces a lot of Eno chicks as well, and on top of that, he's a baby eater. The video, you guys know what video I'm talking about. He was eating the egg, and he always likes to go in the nest box. I don't know if you guys males go in the nest box, but Splash, he likes to go in the nest box and likes to sleep in there with the female. So when the eggs start to hatch, he's already alert, and he's already helping the baby hatch, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that. It was a short little video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.